Hello, my name is Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. I'd like to look at three charts with you today. The first one I'd like to look at is the CME S&P Futures front month continuous contract. After holding up for the first part of this week, yesterday we finally, and after much testing, broke and closed below both the 50% Fibonacci level of the whole of the 2018 move, and that's at 27.24, and also the very recent 50% Fibonacci level, which is not very far away, at 27.14. Now we halted on the downside at the minor Fibonacci level at 26.88. It doesn't seem that strong, but the nearby lesser Fibonacci level at 26.78 is also near there, and they're still there as supports, so just use them. Today we're steady, and we've given the 27.14 level a mild testing on the top side. However, the next key supports will be the key 2018 uptrend, currently at 26.58, and the 2016 to date uptrend, currently 26.36. These have been broken, but they still have impact. The next chart I'd like to look at is the Chicago Soybeans second month continuous. Now, after a couple of weeks of going sideways, we've today broken upwards and with a vengeance. We've broken up over the key 50% Fibonacci level at 8.95 and also the July to date downtrend that's currently at 9.04. With a resistance band 9.04, 9.11, but a close above 9.04 would also be significant. Above the 9.15 area, with the now rapidly descending long moving average, which is currently 9.42 as resistance, there's actually quite a bit of a space between those two. So, interesting to watch. The next and final one I'd like to look at, well, that's going to be the London White Sugar front month continuous contract. After breaking down through the very recent 50% Fibonacci level at 345.60, these last 2 weeks we've basically sort of like handled there sideways and staying below that. We next looked at breaking down the long moving average, which is 341.10. We even had last Friday a punch down through that long moving average, but did not close below it. This failure to close effectively below the long moving average is now wearing away the bearish pressure. And to the day we've had, so far, the highest low since Monday of last week. We've pushed up higher over the 50% Fibonacci level at 345.60, but obviously not closed over it or under it yet. Tonight's close will be very interesting because of all this. Will it be the final end of the bearishness or just a surge in an otherwise still descending market? Below the long moving average, we have close support from the medium moving average, which is currently 335.90, which could be feeding into this long moving average as support. So watch this one. Micro moves there are, but potentially some significant changes. So good trading, and thank you very much for listening.